fish from Alaska.
Yeah, that's what Andy said.
Yeah, so you want salmon or halibut?
Oh, salmon, I guess.
Salmon?
Yeah.
So I should take it out of the freezer.
Yeah. I see a black cat. Is that Bowser?
But Pino. Andy, where's
Pino.
Bowser?
Pino.
You wanna take
Black
Bowser?
cat.
Go.
Black cat.
Andrew. Oh no, he's out. Look.
Black
Bowsy.
cat. Oh, dandruff cat.
Bowsy. Honey.
Kitty, 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 kitty.
Kahana. He has Hawaiian name too.
Kahana. Bowser. Bowser. Can you talk? Bowser.
Kahana.
You talked that one time I filmed you.
Say something to the microphone, Kahana.
Bowser.
Bowser. Bowser, beautiful boy.
I think he meowed.
Kahana.
Kitty, 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 kitty.
Terry, look.
Shaking his tail. Yeah, that smoke was pretty bad.
Rufus.